Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth device isn't connecting to your Samsung The Frame TV. Start by performing a soft reset operation on your TV. To do so, hold down the power button on your remote to switch the TV off, then unplug your TV from the power source for about half a minute to let it reset, and then plug in the power cable once again. Press the power button to turn your TV on, and then try reconnecting your Bluetooth device to your TV. And if this doesn't help you, then you should make sure that your TV is set up properly for Bluetooth. And to do so, you have to go to Settings menu, open all Settings menu, wait a moment. In the meantime, you can also try to restart your Bluetooth device, as the issue could be within your Bluetooth device. Okay, once you are in the All Settings menu, go to the Connection tab, then go to Bluetooth devices, then select your Bluetooth device. Try to connect to it, and then if it doesn't connect to it, try to unpair it from your TV, and then try to pair it once again. Then if this doesn't help you, you can also reset network settings by going to Network, Reset Network, then confirm. But after doing that, you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network too, providing the Wi-Fi password once again. Also, go to the support page in the menu, then go to Software Update, Update Now, and wait for your TV to check for any available updates on the internet. If there are any updates, then of course take your time to download and install them. And if this doesn't help you solve your problem, then you should try to connect a different Bluetooth device to your TV, see if it connects to it. Try to connect another device to your Bluetooth device and see if another device connects to your Bluetooth device, and just check whether the problem is within the TV or within your Bluetooth device. But at this point, everything should work just well. You can also go to Device Care menu in the same support settings menu. Then select Start Device Care and let your device check if everything is good. Then let's click Done. Then you can also go to Self-Diagnosis menu in the Device Care application or menu. Then go to Bluetooth right here and select it and check if everything is alright with the Bluetooth. If everything is alright with your Bluetooth, then maybe your Bluetooth device and your TV are simply incompatible with each other. Because if they would be, then at this point the trouble would have been resolved. Also, you can try to contact Samsung customer support service and tell them about your issue, and see if they can help you with any other troubleshooting steps. But at this point, I think that's all we can do with it. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.